Okay, welcome back. The only big thing we have left to do is to greet our guest in like a simple letter. It's going to go right after this first page, the title page, and before the hotel accommodations. So you may have to come down to the bottom and find one of your blank pages. And all you have to do is get a hold of the page and click to move it up. And you keep moving it up, and you keep moving it up until it is in that spot. Okay? So now I've got my place here for my letter, and basically I'm going to use the same font I've been using before. I'll put welcome at the top and use my font, like I said. Some of you have not been making the fonts smaller. You do want to make sure that the fonts are not too big on these because the default is kind of big. And I would change this up. And then I'm going to add another text box. And I'll have to decide as I write my letter if I think that that font is too big as well. And I would start out saying Muhammad, and let's come up here, let's left align that. More schools would like to, okay, that's really lopsided, so let me pull this over here, and it's definitely too big, and that's definitely too small. That might work. Welcome you to Bulldog Country. Okay, now on my website, I've given you an example of how to do the different paragraphs. Each one's, make sure every paragraph is the exact font and font size, and that they are left aligned. This is a letter, somewhat. It needs to kind of look like a letter. You can do all of them in one big box. And after each paragraph, just enter twice. Okay, when you get to the bottom, you're going to sign up from Dr. Hall. And so I would go ahead and do a different box. And if you notice on my example, I've actually right aligned. And it's Dr. Lindsay Hall. And all of that information is also on the website. So look at Tech 1 Canva. And it's 48. There are 3 lines that you'll put for her little closing at the bottom. Put your letter in there and the sign off from Dr. Hall. And then we'll only have one thing left and the project will be wrapped up.